What's cooking today? What are we going to eat?
Okay, so I found this really nice moong dal chilaka recipe, which is very healthy because it's very low carb. And that with like some protein and vegetables. My favorite pongal and I think some dosa and idli and sambar, which is our house ka speciality.
अच्छा, और जब आप डाइटिंग नहीं कर रहे होते हो and then you can go all out and eat as much as you like to. What do you like to eat?
Paya and pav.
Paya and
they make
pav.
a mean like jungly mutton at home, and then they make this green color mutton also. I don't know what's called. Hari mirchi ka mutton or something like that. Pulao, biryani, dosa, idli. Last night I had mawa ka paratha from Sharma Ji da dhaba in Jaipur. Oh my god, it was so good. I could just like die and like go inside like in between that paratha and just live my life there.
मावा का पराठा मीठा था? How was it?
Like what heaven.
ఇన్స్టెంట్గా టేస్టీగా ఏదైనా చేయాలంటే ఈ విధంగా పొంగల్ చేయండి, టేస్ట్ చాలా